Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you guys doing? Welcome to my channel. Right now I'm outside because you see guys, I'm wearing abaya because I'm heading out today, and we're gonna spend our weekend somewhere outside, and we'll see if what time we're gonna come back. We're just gonna wait for our car so we can go out. So this is how we like our place in a day. I mean, how is it look in a day? So it's like that. My God, we're just waiting for the car so we can go out. See you guys outside. Yes guys, I am back from out. So I just finished my shower because it's too hot and I feel like everywhere of my body is sweating. So now I'm back. Alhamdulillah, I done my shower, and I'm just gonna put some sunscreen because it's too hot outside guys, so we need to put that every day. Alhamdulillah, we are clean. So I just wear my small towel there and my hijab to cover my neck. I am in a kitchen right now. I am looking for my breakfast, but I'm lazy still to do. I think I'm just gonna go to make omelette and put some cheese in it and eat. But guys, I'm lazy. I don't know because I don't have a good sleep today. You know, I've been working and then also here in the home and work also. It's hard. I'm tired and I'm sleepy. So let's go to I get some egg and cheese. Where is the cheese? And I think I will just gonna go make omelette and oh, there is yogurt also guys, so let's go and eat that also. Thank you. There is something easy to eat right now. Guys, nagpa-prepare. Oh my goodness, nagpa-prepare ako kasi pre ako ng duhor, pero kasi nagpapainit ako ng mga pagkain, yung tira namin kahapon, leftover. So ito, mainit na alhamdulillah, kasi para makapagdasal na rin. Andito ako ngayon sa favorite place ko. Pag minsan dito ako nagti-tiktok dyan sa salamin. Kasi dyan ko inano yung phone ko para mabilisan na lang, diba? So maya maglalans na rin kami pagtapos namin mag-pray. See you guys. Update guys. Tapos na kami magdasal ng Maghrib. Kaso, ang tiyan ko nagugutom at di ko alam at di ko rin alam kung kailan ako magdadayat dahil para na akong burger, or I don't know how I describe myself, like a pancake or a burger, I don't know, or a paw. I think it's good for me because it's a bit white, you know. So guys, anong dapat natin makain dahil yung tiyan ko nagbabalibol na, naghanap ng pagkain at di ako nakapag-lunch kanina ng maganda kasi yung pagkain may corn, kaya hindi ako nakakain ng maganda kasi nga may corn yung may halo na corn yung pagkain namin, so bawal yun sa akin. Kaya maghanap na lang ako ng makain ko. So ano kaya? Kasi pagod na ako eh. Antok na rin ako guys. Higmen. Guys, may surprisingly na kumatok sa gate namin na nagbigay ng tuna. Napakalaki niya guys. Grabe. Ilang taon, ilang weeks ito or days kakainin. Kasi sa pang sandwich ito ata eh. Pero unlucky. Grabe. Tingnan niyo. Sana to, paano na to gawin? Para pang sandwich or something. Hindi naman to pwede sa salad, di ba? Napakalaki kasi. So, okay na. At saka pero ginamit na namin yung oat. Kinain ko sa brunch kanina. Ito lang. Oat na to. Kinain ko kanina. So, di ba? Ang taba-taba ko na nga, ang dami ko pang kinakain. Di naman pa ganun pwede, di ba? Andito ako ngayon guys sa dahil may gagawin ako dito. Yung, ano ba yan? Takong namin. Ipapasok lang sa Grabe yung bigat. Ano ba to? Grabe, makalat dito eh. At hindi naman maganda tingnan. Baka mamaya may masudsud pa o may madapa na Oh my God! Madilim. Hindi ko nabuksan yung Kasi nakalimutan ko guys. Sorry naman po. Nakalimutan ko. May online class pa kasi ako eh. Kaya in-ignore ko yung oras. Kasi narinig nyo. May online class pa ako. Pero okay lang. Tapusin ko muna tong vlog ko kasi para matapos ko na. Ma-edit ko na rin. Kasi kailangan ko nang tapusin to. Guys, kailangan ko na itong tapusin tong vlog ko kasi may online class pa ako. At kailangan ko mag-focus kasi sa next Friday I have an exam. And it's really hard because it's a makhraj, and inshallah I will get success for my exam. But guys, thank you for watching. Please like and share my video, and please subscribe, and see you again to my next video, and have a good night guys. Thank you for watching. See you again to my next video.